Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Welcome to my Halloween series. On today's episode, we are going to be opening some Boo Mail. And you guys, this might be my only Halloween unboxing. I'm not doing any swaps for Halloween, as I've mentioned before. But last year around this time is when I swapped with Craft Purge, which is Tony. You guys know who she is. I'll link her down below. And it's our, as she calls it, spookiversary. I think it is. I think she has it on the card. I think it's spookiversary. Let me see. Let's see. Yep, it is spookiversary. And we decided to swap just in the name of it being a year since we met, since we swapped, and all that good stuff, because we've been friends ever since. So it's kind of like our friend anniversary, which is what I called it. But yeah, you guys, I got this amazing box of goodies, and she's the only one that I'm actually sending a box of goodies to, just because I kind of didn't want to have that stress. I tend to put that too much stress on myself during the holidays, and October, November, and December are very hectic months for me, and add a full-time job to that, girl, it is hectic. So I kind of took it easy this year, and I'm not going to be doing swaps. And I also plan to do a birthday challenge since my birthday's next month, but it's nothing set in stone yet. Just stay tuned for that. But let me get into this beautiful box that Tony sent me. And you guys, I'm not going to put it this way because it's going to kind of block the light of my computer. So I kind of use my computer as the lighting also at nighttime. So I'm going to do it this way to the side. But look at all this yumminess. And yes, I went through the whole thing because I am super impatient and super annoying. So let me show you guys what she sent me. The first thing you see here is this super cute little ghost pinata. So cute. She put this little piece of ephemera in there, and there's some yummies inside, which my daughter will probably attack. As you all may know, that whenever I get sent candy, her and my wife snatch them all up. So that was the first thing she sent me. She sent me some of her handmade little bows. Some of the little spiders came off. I hate when that happens, but that's okay. I can definitely put them back. I love how she packaged all her stuff. Tons of sewing. So cute. I've been keeping up with all her little goodies that she's been posting. So I was glad to see some in my box. She sent me a cute little handmade card. Super cute. Notice for me. And yeah, so I'm going to show you guys all the extra little goodies. This one, my little clippy, that's my fault. It came off, but she had this little clip with this little baggie right here. And she has this cute little sequence strand right here, this little ephemera piece, which is one of my favorites from the collection. So thank you so much for that, because I used mine and now I have another one. Look at this cute little tag she made. Oh, you see, that's what she calls it. Spookiversary. Isn't that adorable? She's so cute. And inside this little bag, let's put that right here. Inside this little bag, look how cute. Eat sweets and be spooky. She used up her washi. Girl was using her Halloween stash. Look, you guys, how cute. She sent me that designer die by Echo Park. I saw her haul these. How cute. I don't have this die, and I think it's so adorable. Now I just need some black cardstock. Can you believe I don't have any black cardstock? I was supposed to go to Michael's, but I didn't. But thank you so much for my die. I love it. Then she sent me this one. She packaged everything so cute. And it's so funny because I was watching her swap with Anne, and I was like loving all her packaging, and then I get my box today. Isn't that crazy? Look at the detail. The beautiful rosette that she made. Cute little spider, the little web in the back. She did her little sewing. Girl, you went in. And then I like that I don't have to like tear the bag or anything. She put a bunch of goodies in here. Let me show you guys. I'm going to put the stuff over here as I open it. She sent me some stickers. Look at these. I don't have these. I picked up all the other ones, but I didn't pick up these, which is so cute. And then she sent me some cute little glitter cutouts, and it's some little gold leaves. Aren't these pretty? These are so cute. Don't have these either. And then I saw her video where she was showing how she packaged these up. Look how cute is this tag. Isn't that adorable? Beautiful. I love it. And then this cute little like pumpkin pick. Cute little spider web ribbon. We're gonna open you up. Save that beautiful tag. My little pumpkin pick. And tear you up. Oh, you guys, I don't have this pad. I didn't pick it up from Michael's. And of course, Tony had to hook it up. Hocus Pocus. Oh, this is so cute. And it's double-sided. Yes. And I still have so many things to do for my series. So this is like awesome because I'm definitely going to be using a lot of the stuff that she sent me for projects in my series. Because I'm not going to wait a whole year to use this pad. I'm going to use it this year. Thank you so much, girly. I love it. Look at all this crinkle paper. And then she sent me this cute little package with this cute little... I feel like he belongs here. Yes, he does. Look at that. He's like a cute little rubber skeleton. And then in here, she put a bunch of little treat bags for me to use, which I will be using. Thank you so much for that. And this little fella, my wife wants him. Because when she saw him, she was like, I want him. I said, when I film, you can have him. And then look at this. Definitely bagging this up and putting it away. And I love this tissue paper. That's something that I'm saving as well. But look, you guys. She sent me a loaded bag and it is loaded. Look at that. Look at that cute little bat. That little rosette. Look at this. And it's a shaker. Like she has like the little tool with the little shaker and the little spiders. Look at all that yumminess. How cute. So we're going to go through the first pocket here. And it's, look how cute. She sewed everything. Like, I see you. I see you. Look at the little pom-pom trim. So she made me some cute little bat bows. I've been meaning to try this and I haven't done it yet. But I still have a few weeks to work on Halloween stuff. I might try still. Super cute. She made a bunch of little words with the, what do you call this? The jig, the happy jig. Look at that. Spooky, boo. I only played with mine once and I haven't played with it again. I should definitely try it. Thank you for my Halloween words. I'm going to be using these. So cute. I saw her video on these cute little tags and she sent me 2. And look at her little decor. I wish I would have had this trim in black. I don't have it in black. Super cute. Love them. I love that sound. And then, you guys, Tony done hooked it up. I have the little ghosties with you guys love that sticker with the, oh my gosh, I can't remember. It's the little ghost kid with the costume and he has like the little pumpkin. It's by them too, by the little bee. Is it here? No. And I saw these and I was like, oh my gosh, I need those too. And then I opened up my Happy Mail and look at where they were. Cute little candy corn ones. And you guys, I'm obsessed with this one. I might not be able to share these with anyone. I'm sorry, but these are so cute. And thank you so much, girl. I love these. They made me so happy in the way you decorated them. Then, look how she packaged everything, you guys. She gave me die cuts, these cute little witches. Look at that bat. Look at this. How cute is that little bag topper? And then these all say trick or treat. Definitely going to be using these. I usually don't like to open like my handmade stuff, but I want to use these on my, being that I have a series going on. Look at how cute this little packaging is. It's one of these little like policy envelopes or coin envelopes. And in here, she sent me some Halloween, is it not confetti? Sequins. Look how cute. Aren't they cute? The way she packaged them up. Haunted for life. That's dreadful. So cute, and I love the little colors that she chose. Super cute. Thank you. Look at that. And then let me show you guys the little wand that she made. How cute is that? Isn't that cute? You guys know I love putting little bows on all my little ephemera pieces. I think this is a straw. Look how cute with the little bat. Isn't that adorable? I love that. And then we have this one right here. Look at that. Cute little bow, some little cross stickers. I want these. These are from, I think, Illustrated Faith. I want to get a pack of those. She sent me a mask, you guys. And look, I don't have this. And I have a ton of masks. It's the Marilyn Monroe Forever Gorgeous. I don't know if I want to use it. You need to let me know where you got this mask, girl, because it is so cute. I love it. And it's going in my collection. Thank you. And then we have here the last little piece, and it's some rosettes. Look how cute. She's got some tulle here. Aren't they adorable? And then she put some little ghosties in there. No, skeletons. Look at that. Look at the way she decorated it. I love it. And then look at her bag, you guys. Isn't that cute? Creeping it real. I love it so much. Tony, thank you so much for our Spookiversary. Beautiful swap. I cannot wait for you to get mine. I promise to package it up sometime this week and send it over. But yeah, you guys, that's it for this episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Bye.